If you're tired of constantly having to solve Captcha puzzles in Google Chrome, those little tests where you have to prove you're not a robot, then you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to significantly reduce or even bypass many of those annoying CAPTCHAs using a free browser extension. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set it up, and you can start browsing the web with fewer interruptions. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Google Chrome browser. It doesn't matter if you're on Windows, Mac, or even a Chromebook. The steps are the same for everyone. If you already have Chrome open, you're ready to go. But if not, just double-click the Chrome icon on your desktop or look for it in your apps list. Once Chrome is up and running, look towards the top where you normally type in web addresses. That's your search bar. Go ahead and click in there and you're going to type in Chrome Store. Now, you might see some suggestions pop up as you're typing. Google's always trying to help, but just hit enter when you're done to search for the Chrome Web Store. Now, you should see search results showing the Chrome Web Store listed, usually right at the top. Click on it and it'll take you directly to the official Chrome Web Store page. This is where you can add all kinds of new features to Chrome by installing what are called extensions. Think of extensions like little apps that give your browser extra powers. Next, once you're on the Chrome Web Store, look for the Extensions tab or section. It's an important step because the store also has themes and other things. But we specifically want an extension today. Click on Extensions and a new page or pane will load, focusing your search only on browser add-ons. Now, here's the key part. In the Chrome Web Store's search bar, type in the word Buster. Buster is a popular extension designed to help users automatically solve many CAPTCHA challenges. It's totally free, and thousands of people use it daily. Pause here for a second if you need to. Sometimes results can take a moment to load. Once you see Buster in the list, go ahead and click on it. Take a moment to read some of the reviews if you want reassurance, as it has a pretty solid reputation and a lot of users find it genuinely helpful. The next move is to add it to your browser. Look for the button that says Add to Chrome. Click that. You might see a pop-up asking you to confirm. Chrome does this to make sure you really want the extension. Click Add Extension. That's it. The installation usually just takes a second or two. And don't worry if your browser refreshes quickly. That's normal. Now, once it's installed, Buster will usually appear as a small puzzle piece icon in the top right corner of your Chrome window. The next time you run into a CAPTCHA, you'll notice a little Buster icon appears right on the challenge box, and with a single click, Buster will attempt to solve the CAPTCHAs for you. It's like having a personal assistant in your browser, doing the tedious work for you. And that's it. You've just made your web browsing a whole lot smoother and less frustrating. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button so others can find it too. If you have any questions or if Buster worked for you, let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear your experiences or help out if you get stuck. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.